Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple tutorial on how you can add overlay in CapCut PC. So first, you can add the main video onto the track in here. And to add overlay, you can just do the same thing like you add the first video. So here I'm going to just find an asset on the CapCut library. So for example, I want to add this black overlay into my video. So click on add it to track and drag it on top of the main video to set it as overlay. Okay, so now this is the overlay that I added, and because it covers or it my first video doesn't show up, you can just use the blend. So click on the black overlay, and here you can choose the mode. For example, I'm going to go with overlay, and here you can adjust the opacity to your liking. So that's a pretty simple tutorial to add overlay on CapCut PC. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye!